Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Budget with a July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and on this channel I share everything personal finance. I cover budgeting, saving and investing. If these topics are of interest to you, then please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get in today's video. So I do have my trusted notepad here, which I'll be referring to throughout this video as I will be sharing my March 2022 goals. So this is actually more March financial goals than any other goals, to be honest, because I was looking over it and I was like, everything that I have here on the list, 10 of them to be exact, is all in relation to money. So let's just make them the March 2022 financial goals and let's get on with this video. So the first goal that I have is to invest at least £1,000. So this month, for the month of March 2022, I am hoping that I'll be able to send £1,000 towards my ISA, towards my SIP, towards my general investment account. So that is crypto and other investments that I have, like on free trade, eToro, and all of that jazz. So my goal is in total to send at least £1,000 to my investments. Goal number two is to, initially I put it to pause my savings, but actually what I meant is I would like to budget my bonus. So for the last 3 weeks, 2 weeks actually, I was informed of how much my bonus is going to be in the month of March. So I've been playing around with the numbers, but the way the tax system works in this country, I know that I'll probably be paying a huge chunk towards my taxes. So I'm not really sure exactly how much I'm going to get. So I've decided that even though there's this huge difference between what I got last year and what I'm getting this year, I'm going to budget off of last year's bonus that I got. So I will be budgeting my bonus. I won't be doing a separate video for that. I'll just do it in my normal video. Maybe I might include it in my mid-month budget check-in, but we shall see. The third goal that I have is to use my subscription sinking fund and my buildings and contents sinking fund. So the month of March is when some of my subscriptions come due, and I have been saving for them in my sinking funds for the last however many months it's been. So now it's time to actually start using them, and in the month of April I'll start funding those sinking funds again for 2023. So that is what I am planning to do. So I think it's I'm trying to think. I think it is Amazon Prime. I have chosen to renew that. I have an annual subscription. My Disney Plus does not come out until April, so I won't be using that sinking fund. And then I've got Viki, the app that I use to watch Chinese and Korean dramas. So all of those are coming up due in the month of March. The fourth goal that I do have is to change my TV license from monthly to annual payment. I don't really watch that much live TV, but it's better to be safe than sorry, because when they penalize you, they really penalize you. So to be honest, I have decided that I'm gonna switch over from monthly to annual, because it's annoying to see the monthly payment come out. If I'm honest, I actually don't like seeing it in my tracker, so I'm gonna switch that to annual payments. Then goal number 5 is to budget for the girls trip that I have. So for the month of March, at the end of the month, I do have a girls trip to Spain. I'm really excited about that, so I want to budget for that, and I'll explain it a bit further in my first transfer Tuesday for the month of March. And then goal number 6 is to make over £100 on Etsy. So Etsy has been doing really well. I'll leave the link in the description bar below. I sell digital products, so all of the budgeting templates that I use and share with you how I manage my money, those templates, you can find them on my Etsy shop. So in December, I made over £100. In February, in January, I made over £500, and so far in the month of February, I have made over £400. So I'm actually just going to stick with it because I can see a slight decline, but I'm going to stick with £100 in the month of March. Number 7 is to renew my blog hosting plan. So I pay for that and then the business refunds me. So I am due to renew that in the month of March, so I need to pay for that. Then number 8 is to complete the 52 envelope savings challenge. So again, I'll mention a little bit more in the Transfer Tuesday for the month of March, but essentially I have decided that I want to fully fund this 52 envelope challenge in the month of March, because in April I do have a bigger trip that I want to use that money for. And I did mention in one of my Transfer Tuesday videos that I would actually use about £300. So the total amount that I should save is 1,378, and I said about 378 I would use for travel, and then the £1,000 I would like to invest. But looking at the trips that I have now, it probably might be the other way around. I haven't fully decided yet, but I would like to finish the challenge in the month of March, then decide exactly which way I'm going to go, whether £1,000 is going to go to travel or £1,000 is going to go towards investments. We shall see. Then the 9th goal that I have is to have 15 no spend days, and this is because as I was writing these goals down today, I realized I have actually reached 15 no spend days so far in the month of February, and we only have 2 days left in the month. So if I can do that in a short month like February, I think I can do it in a longer month like March. So 15 no spend days is what I'm aiming for the month of March. And then the final goal, which is the 10th goal, I would like to increase my carryover money to £2,000. So if you watch my budgeting videos, you know that my standard carryover money has always been £1,000. Then I was like, no, I need to be able to cover all of the bills, including my rental property bills, on the first of the new month, because that's when I pay them. So I increased that to 1,850 exactly. But then I was like, let me just do it 2,000 even, and that's what I would like to do starting with the month of March. And because it's a bonus month as well, it makes it even more perfect that I'll have that extra income to be able to do £2,000 extra put towards a carryover money, or as other people call it, month ahead income. So the goals that I have for the month of March, I'm really excited to actually take each and every single one of them off. Please let me know in the comment section below what goals you have for the month of March and what plans you have for the month of March. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.